In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Following that, install this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now tap on those three lines at the bottom right one and select Settings at the top. Finally, click on I accept in First Things First pop-up. Check out all of those settings. And when you're ready, click on the top right corner. Then select bottom right one again. This time though, you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper over here and tap on the best option for you, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with both, so I have to click on this option. And finally, swipe up from the button of my screen. Then click on Home button. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!